All right. Today I'm going to show you how to scaffold a React with TypeScript project by using Vite. The only thing you need is Node installed on your computer, and then you just open the terminal. I'm using the iTerm 2. So you just write yarn create Vite. And then you choose the project name, tutorial, you choose React, and you choose TypeScript. And then you just cd tutorial, and then you write code dot to open the project with Visual Studio Code. And once you have VSCode open, you just open the terminal in here. Just write yarn to install all the dependencies. Alright, that took 40 seconds. I just do yarn dev. And that's it. Then you can open it. Alright, so now I have the browser to the right. I can clean up some stuff, like for first I can just change the title in the HTML file. And then after that I can remove the CSS files. And in here I can clean everything here, put an H1, hello world, remove the use state, remove all of these, and then do an export const, an arrow. And for that to work I need to put curly braces in here, and then remove the index.css. What's missing? Yeah, I need to remove this. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.